do you know that I forgot my key inside? Yeah, I realized it when I was in my workplace. If you remember, already 3 times that I locked this door. The key is actually here. It is now 3:35. Yeah, I'm not going to eat. I eat already. I'm satisfied with that meal. But I'm going to make a cup of coffee. And I need to go to the toilet. Yeah, I've been to the toilet before leaving the kitchen. Because of the cup of coffee. So they gave me a cup of coffee this morning around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, and I was keeping it while working because I was busy, so I didn't able to drink it. Yeah, and during my break time around 11:30, I reheat it in the microwave and I drink it. That's why I need to go to the toilet. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. I signed out already 2:12. Yeah, I start at 6. And I just opened my mobile phone and I got a message from John. He said that there is new COVID case in Cops Harbor. Yeah, we've been in Cops Harbor. Yeah, but it's like 2 weeks earlier when we went there. So the COVID cases from Sydney is reaching far now. Today we are going to the post office in the town center. I'm going to send the GoPro carrying case. Okay, we are home and it's already 3:15. I also received a mail. I don't know from where is this. Two pieces. I am now going to prepare my meal. I'm just going to reheat this rice, and this one I am going to recycle it. Good morning guys, I'm doing my laundry, but I won't be able to finish that because I'm going for my driving lesson. Yeah, today I am on vacation for 7 days. It is now 10 o'clock. I'm not going to bring a camera because I already recorded the last driving lesson. I recorded that. I will have just my wallet, my key, and that's it. And it is now 11 o'clock. Yeah, today what we did is the parking. I did already parking. So I learned how to park today, but just 2 times. Yeah, I will master that. And it's not a reverse parking, it's a normal parking. Yeah, going inside the parking space should be between the lines. That's how it is. And we did the practice parking in Soldier's Point. You know, the what's that, launching area there of the boat. That's where we did the parking practice. Yeah, and today I realized that the instructor actually has the brake on his side, so it's good, safe. I'm starting to become confident to drive in the main road, but still I need to learn because I notice myself that I am not looking at the signage, the speed limit, and also I am still not looking in the windows. Yeah, but I still have how many days more? Oh, today is the 4th day that I'm doing the driving. So 6 days more, Actually, 12 days it's total. Oh, my laundry is finished. I'll just hang it outside and then we're going out. Oh, there is kind of tournament in the bowling club. Maybe Leroy is there also. Leroy is one of my colleagues. I started walking because there is one old lady. She is walking relaxed and I don't want to disturb her. There is one newly open like a Japanese takeaway. The name is Chuki. What is this? Oh, maybe they just put that there, not permanent. And we are now here in the Albura Marina, and they made some improvements. They cut these plants. Before you don't see the other side because it's very much. Yeah, now it's a good. Looks like a new place. Yeah, it is a windy. The wind is cold. Not so good to be outside in here. I can't really handle the cold. We're going to the grocery now. We're going to buy rice and something else. We're going to take one of these tomato. This is $4.90. We're also going to take this 2 packet of milk, just 85 cents. We're going to take one of these. Yeah, pasta for just $1.95. Also, we're going to take one of this tomato sauce. It's $4. This time we're just going to take 1 kilo. Oh, we're going to try this meat pie, the classic meat pie, 4 pieces inside, $6.50. We're going to take one of this chicken, $8.50. Oh, I think it's okay to leave the bike here because I'm going to buy Japanese takeaway. This is actually my very first time to be on this side, and it's actually a clinic. There are some that are ready to eat, but I choose the other one, the one that's need to prepare. This is the one. It comes with salad, mixed salads. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. Salmon, rice, and another Japanese salad. Yo, good morning guys. It is now almost 9 o'clock. I'm preparing my meal. This is how it is at the moment. It's very windy outside and looks like there is a rain coming. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat now. This salmon, I just steamed it last night while cooking the rice. I will have my driving lesson later at 10 o'clock. Yo, we are back home. It is already 11 o'clock. Yeah. Bubblegum. Yeah, today reverse parking is difficult. Yeah, I really need to practice that. Today is not successful, but I was able to do the reverse parking 2 times, but the rest are failed. And it looks like it is going to rain. I didn't do anything I cleaned the house. Also, I sleep, and in my computer, that's it. Yeah, and today I received the email from our executive chef, and I am again on holiday in the coming weeks. Yeah, still because of the COVID cases, the lockdown in Sydney and in other city. That's why we are not busy. We don't have guests. I am tempted to go outside, but no need. Maybe tomorrow. I am just now going to cook this chicken, and it's going to be with this curry powder. They have some frozen vegetable. I forgot about this. I'm going to eat this first. It says 2 minutes.